Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're live. Another day, another dollar. It's Mega Money Mondays. What's popping? What's good? What's good with you, chat? What's good? How everybody have a good weekend? Everybody have a good weekend out there? You know I did. We went fishing on Saturday with my son and my dad, the fam. And then on Sunday, went to the boat show and looked at some new boats. Ended up, I guess, deciding on the boat that we're going to build and all that fun stuff. So big weekend for me. I don't know about you guys, but you know, I'm out here. We just living, baby, every day, every dollar, dollar, make you holla. It's time to make some money. It's Monday, Money Mondays live on the BDH. Let's go. Big move up this morning. The $1 million question. Do we pull back? Do we fill the gap? Do we just gap up and go? If I had a way to know. If only I knew a way to know. Let's see. Magic 8 Ball. Will the Nasdaq continue higher all day long, or do we pull back at open? Let's see. We got the VWAP down there, 20,160 area. Well, the Magic 8 Ball says positively. Positively. I don't know if that means that the Nasdaq's going to positively go higher all day or if it's positively going to go down. Now I'm even more confused what to do here now. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Let's see the shirt, BDH, baby. What's up? Look at that beautiful car behind me. No introduction needed for that car, baby. Everywhere you go, everyone just knows. They just know. That's right. All right. We're getting it going here. Pull it up, the charts, hourly chart. Let's get rid of, we got the LuxAlgo indicator on there right now, but I wanted to look at this price action. What do we got? Well, we got that big old gap up Sunday night gapper. Sunday night market open gapped up here. Will the bulls be able to take us higher? I mean, realistically, we know that you know, the gaps love to get filled. We know that, right? I know that, you guys know that, but it's always the $1 million question. I'm like, does it happen at open? Does it happen later on in the day? Does it happen tomorrow? Does it happen next week? Sometimes yeah, sometimes you just, it's not as cut and dry as just, oh, it's guaranteed to go down. You know, you got to kind of see what happens. I think we're going to pull back, but that's how it is sometimes. Right now, by the way, the 80% off deal with Apex is continued until the end of this month, by the way. That's right. Patrick, do you like Take Profit Trader? Oh, you know we like Take Profit Trader, baby. That's our fave. Well, they're all our favorite, but we like Take Profit Trader. We just had James, the CEO of Take Profit Trader, here at the BDH. Right now, there's like 30 contracts sitting there at 265.75 on the Nasdaq, holding this up right now, and it's looking a little bit of trouble up here at the highs. If you look at the, we'll look at the what, 4-hour chart. We're kind of pushing back up into this previous level, that 20,300 area. Resistance, a lot of price action, a lot of action in this area, chopping around there. So we've pushed up into the middle, kind of, maybe we could go like 20,300, but like we're right there, right? We are like right in the middle of all of that bad price action there. But right now, that 65 buyer just sitting there on the book, 265.75. There's 28 contracts just sitting there trying to get filled here. Big old gap up. Right now, the market's up about 1.5%. You can see the dotted line, 19,960. 960 is our gap fill from the close there on Friday. So 950, 960 area to the downside, 19,000. But right now, the Nasdaq just refusing to pull back. On the hourly chart as well, just kind of grinding higher so far. Grinding. We had a pivot point there, 20,217 on the Nasdaq. And we'll go. The full shirt. BDH. BDH, baby. BDH, baby. Oh man, I'm still hyped. Last week, man, good week last week. We had a lot of action in terms of the BDH with the live streams with Nutty Bar. I feel like that was probably one of the highlights of my YouTube day trading career. Having those guys here hanging out, we broke all the records. The live stream was absolutely popping off. Big thank you for everybody who tuned in last week. The good thing is we're still dialing it in, right? We're still getting everything so dialed in. It's only going to get better from here. We've got Brett Simba coming in this week. We got some other traders coming in this week. It's going to be a good time. The BDH is ever growing and ever continuing to be the biggest and the largest. So let's see. Right now, Nasdaq, we lost that 65 buyer. Now down there into the 60s. We'll see start to sell. That $1 million question. We could pull back here. VWAP on the Nasdaq. Where's the VWAP at? My VWAP not loading. It's loading. My VWAP's loading right now. We got a pivot point down there, 20,223 to the downside there. And still, the Nasdaq just kind of holding up there. Holding up for now. If we look at the ES kind of the same exact setup here as the Nasdaq here. We've got a target or a pattern on the chart here. A pattern on the chart. A rising wedge is a bearish reversal pattern. So looks like the LuxAlgo price action concepts right now painting the picture that we could get some bearish momentum here at open. We still got plenty of time. We got about 33 minutes until market opens. No rush. It's Mega Money Mondays, baby. We're here to make money. Make the money. Trades by Slade. When is the baddest coming in? I don't know. Are you calling yourself the baddest? Like, are you bad? Are you good? You know, that's the $1 million question. We want to know. We want to know. Nasdaq really just holding up that 65 level for now. Another little breakout here off of that 65, that blue line there on the chart. Blue line on the chart there right now holding up. $20,300 kind of being that next key level to the upside. E&E, when did you get that whip back there? When did I get that? Like 2 weeks ago or a week ago? I think like 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, we got that new whip. We got all the, I got to get the tables. I got the new tables built. I got to get the new tables put over there into that area, move stuff around, get it all set up, dial it in here. We'll see. I hate doing the computer. I hate doing cable management and just setting all that shit up, but we'll get it going. We'll get it going here, chat. We'll get it going. Can we do a stream with my car parked inside? Yeah, Joseph, what do you got? What car you got, Joseph? We got news at 9:45 today. Correct. News at 9:45. Right now, the market just going up. Overnight, just up. What does that mean? Does that mean we go down at open? Or does that mean we just go higher and higher and higher all day? The $1 million question. I feel like we got to get some type of pullback here. Just a little bit of a pullback, right? Right? We got that pivot point down there, 20,220. This 200 level, I mean, that's kind of there. We've got Monday's high from last week, that 160 area, 20,160 to the downside. Right now, just like they're really just holding it up there at the 260s for now. And I mean, Friday's close is all the way down there, 19,960s. What does that mean? What does it mean, chat? Right now, just consolidating up there. I'm gonna blow my nose. BRB, I'm gonna blow my nose real quick. Here. Nasdaq again up there, just breaking out again here, up to the 280s. Big seller at 280s for now. Market is going to go higher and higher all morning. Oh no, let's hope not. Anything but that, chat. Anything but that. I wish that upon nobody. Big old bear flag on the daily chart. Let me see what you seeing. Well, big old bear flag, but it's kind of looking like we invalidated it. Breaking to the upside there, but we'll see. Still going through the 280s now. Good Lord. This Nasdaq move. Nasty little gap here. Little gap-a-rooney. Up there to the 284, 285s now. Huge gap up last night, correct. Let's see what happens. We got news today. 9:45 news, by the way. 9:45 news. Right now, the Nasdaq just kind of pushing straight up here, continuing higher. The 15-minute chart, the last like decent pullback was when we were all the way kind of down there at the 180s, about 100 points from there. Both the ES, the Dow, the Nasdaq, everything just kind of pushing up here overnight, going into open. It doesn't mean the market's going to go straight up. Don't get too excited. We could just sell straight back down to fill that gap, or we go straight up. I mean, you know, it's just because the market's going higher pre-market does not mean it's going to go higher all day. But sometimes it does. I just don't want to like. The thing is, the biggest thing here is like, we don't want to create a bias, right? Like, we don't want to be like, oh my God, I'm only going to get long at open because the market's only went higher pre-market, right? Like, we want to wait, see what's going on when the real volume comes in there, and then let the market kind of open up, let the real volume come in, see what happens. I mean, ideally, if we're looking for a long, we're looking for, you know, at least some type of pullback back down here, right? Just some type of pullback would be ideal. Right. So. Right. I mean, the VWAP's all the way down there at 20,160s. ZM, what if I can show you evidence that it's going to go higher before it does? Fuck. You have evidence from the future? From when? How do you have evidence? What's your evidence? Jack George, how was my weekend? It was great, my friend. You know how we do. Enjoying. Peter said his whole family's trading with him. Oh, man. Let's go. All right, we got about 11 minutes, 21 minutes, sorry, 21 minutes here until market opens up. Just waiting to see what happens here at open. They're gonna put a tower. Tim, that's not the boat that I posted on Instagram is not my boat, by the way. I'm building a brand new boat. Brand new boat, and yes, there will be a tower and everything. That was just a 42 that was at the boat show. Oh, Nasdaq. Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go, Nasdaq? What you gonna do? Still just holding up here. Every little dip. ZM says, I can see the money before the hit. before the hit the buy sell buttons. I can guarantee we will be pumping today. The money is already set and I'm already able to see it. That's your evidence? I don't know if that evidence is going to hold up in court, my friend. I don't know if that's, you know, strong enough evidence. But I like it. I like the conviction. So I do appreciate the conviction, you know. Hey, you see it. I'm all for it. If you see the money, I see the money. I can see the money before I even buy or sell. All I see is red. How was a ride in this morning, Thomas? It was good. Good ride in. Drive just down the road, just driving down the road. I don't know about the ride in. If I can show you this every day happening, would you be interested? Yeah, man. If you can show me exactly what's going to happen every time, I'm all for it. You tell me what to do, when to do it, I will do it. Send me an email, info@onlyprofirms.com. What's it like driving that McLaren? I don't know. I haven't driven it that much, to be honest. What kind of boat are you going to build? I'm going to build a brand new CV, 42 foot CV. All custom, all built with my own little styling. Uh-oh. Market right now pulling back here. But don't worry. ZM has already seen the outcome of today. He knows. He knows before it happens. Do I miss my boy yet? You know, it's nice. It's nice to have him. It's also nice to not have him around sometimes. But no, it's great having him. We had a lot of fun. He's a good kid, man. 12 years old, living the dream. What's your favorite fish to catch? Probably a sailfish, marlin, anything that can win me money. PW, will you take your fans fishing? Maybe one day. Be cool, right? Don't let your ego ruin what you have. Thanks, a snapperhead. I won't. You just keep worrying about what you're doing. I'll keep worrying about what I'm doing, you little bitch. You little bitch. Will you fly me out from Indiana? Yeah, bro. India. Oh, yeah. I'll fly out from India. Do marlins really take hours to reel in? Sometimes. All right. Let's focus on trading, my friends. Right now, the Nasdaq up there to the 280s, pulling back here. We got a big move up this morning. We got a big gap to the downside. VWAP down there, 20,160. We got a lot of bulls in the chat. Will the bulls get paid here today? Do the bears get paid? Someone's going to get paid. You know, someone's going to get paid. It's just a question of who is going to get paid. Definitely not the pigs. Bears and bulls make money. Pigs get slaughtered. Let's not be a piggy pig today. No oink oink. Only moo or roar. That was my bear and bull impression, or bull and bear impression. But don't worry, we already had somebody in the chat who said they would give us the exact evidence that the market will go higher all day. The evidence is real. A little bit of trouble up there at the highs. This 15-minute candle. Can we get some type of pullback here at open? We got a pivot point down there, 20,221s. We've got the VWAP down there at the 160s. And then we've got the gap fill all the way back down to the 19,960s being the gap fill down there. So Let's see what happens. I think that 260 area will be a key level at open. If we lose that 260 area, definitely pull back a little bit deeper. Like I said, even though just because the market's going up pre-market does not mean the market's going to go high. It doesn't always mean, hey, right? It doesn't mean the market's going to go higher and higher forever. Be patient, my friends. What's your price action concepts settings? I don't really change a lot with the settings here. This is my price action concepts indicator, the LuxAlgo price action concepts. My settings. Nothing too, not like really, I'm not really even utilizing it to my fullest ability, to be honest, but I like it. What am I drinking? Some smart energy. Smart energy. Oh, I'm so smart now. Jeremiah, your course teaches what? Nothing. Nothing at all. Your label should be SDH. Are you trying to imply that I have a small dick? Is that what you're? Well, don't worry. I got a place for you. It's called the BDH VIP room. You can go in there and you can talk to all the other fucking losers. All right, we still got 13 minutes here till market opens. Big move up pre-market. See see what happens again. Testing that 66 level. Wowzers, look at that. Off the 66s, 65 area, straight back up to the 80s again. Wow. Wow. Big move straight back up here now. ZM said, okay, time for a pullback before 9:30 open. Sir, are you trolling me right now? Earlier you said the market was going to go higher and higher forever. And now you said it's going to pull back. Which one is it? Which one is it? Oh, God, how am I ever going to be able to figure this out? Dude, higher on higher time frame. PW, any guests this week? We got a couple guests coming in this week. We got Brett Simba from Tradeify coming in this week. We've got some other unknown guests coming in as well. So we got big stuff happening live at the BDH. You can see I got some new desks. I'm going to move these desks over there. Obviously, we got to set up all the computers, get it all dialed in, but we are getting ready here. We got 11 minutes until market opens. Being patient, waiting, watching, looking for the right opportunities, making some money. That's right. That's right. Live from the BDH. Ain't nobody doing like this. Ain't nobody doing like this. That's right. That's right. That's right. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. You know what to do if you haven't already hit that like button. It's free to like, free to subscribe. We got 328 likes here. Let's go for 1,000. Maybe we'll do some giveaways. You never know what pops into the chat. We got live stream. We got prop firms from everywhere trying to pop up in here. That's right. Did ICT say why he's not paying me? I think he says he's not going to pay me because I'm already so rich and he doesn't want to make me any more rich. ZM, I met you back in 2018. Fuck yeah, bro. What's up, doggy? 2018 crew in the house. Hello from Brazil. Brazil. What forgot the name. Fuck. How do you say good morning in Portuguese? The whole entire market right now is green, green, green. Is that a bad sign or a good sign here? Both the S&P, the Russell, the Dow, the Nasdaq, it's all green, green, green. Bom dia, there we go. Bom dia. Bom dia. Bom dia. Bom dia. Bom dia. I'm so funny. By the way, we got 9:45 S&P inflation news here. S&P inflation news. Someone said he makes 10% of their account on 2 days with my strategy. Oh gosh, the PW concepts, PW outer circle concepts, baby. You know how we do it. We are outside the circle, not inside. We're outside circle traders. Whenever I see a circle on the chart, I'm like, ooh, look at that circle. I wonder if we can get down there. There's our circle. Can we meet inside or outside this circle? We're going to find out. We got a pivot point down there, 20,220s. Pivot point, 220s. Outside circle traders. None of that inside circle bullshit. Only outside circles. You know how we do. ZM says, how's that pullback before 9:30? Are you kidding me? You calling this a pullback? This is it went down 5 points. Keep watching. Is it going to pull back more?
Inner belly button circle.
Inner belly button circle. That seems a little, that could be a little weird, a little crusty. It could be a little weird, you know, a little inner circle, outside circle, 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 dot, dot. Sounds dangerous. You got to be careful with that belly button area, you know, that's could be very ticklish. I posted on Twitter that we're live from outside the circle. Have you noticed that all ICT students...
All ICT students sell courses law.
Oh, I've noticed. I have noticed. All right. 6 minutes here till market opens right now. Pulling back here a little bit. Big push up there. I think it just, well, I guess being bearish because the market went higher all morning is also not a good idea. The same way that it might not be good to be bullish, right? Either way, it's like, just got to be patient. That would be the better play. I think we're going down too, but hey, we're going to have to just wait and see if we get a big movie down. Big move down, Junior. Big move down, Junior. 15-minute opening range break. I like it today. Ooh. Little dippy already. That 260 area, like we talked about, 260 is kind of needing to hold up there before market open. Already dipping down here now. How low can she go? Patrick, how do you confirm an entry after a pullback? Wait for my setup, baby. Bull flags, bear flags, you know? That's all. That's all we're waiting for. Bear flags and bull flags, baby. Right now, a nice little pullback here into open. That pivot point down there, 20,220s. Can we get down there? Outside circle trading. We got 5 minutes here till market opens. Brad W with the target of 20,179. Woo. Talk dirty to me, Brad. You talk dirty to me, boy. Just kidding. But maybe not. Maybe a little bit. Talk dirty to me, Brad. Come on, Brad. We got 4 minutes here till market opens. 4 minutes till market opens. Let's see how she plays. It's kind of like when you hit a golf ball. You never know. Do you know? Is that a good analogy? Hitting a golf ball? You just never know which way it's going to go sometimes, you know? You line up, you get ready, you do your backswing, and then you swing, you hit it, and the ball just goes totally opposite the direction you thought it was going to go. It's kind of a, I don't know if this applies or not. Is that like a thing? Does the golf ball not have a way to go? People that actually know how to play golf are like, no, every time I hit the golf ball, it goes where I want it to go. I'm like, no, you just never know. It's surprising when it goes straight. I agree. You know, what is it about the golf ball, man? Sometimes the golf ball wants to go just go perfectly straight, and then other times it wants to go left or right. There's a gap in price action, 352 to 416.
2 to 416. You think we're going to fill it today?
I like that. We'll see how it goes. 2 minutes till market opens. We're fired up here, people. We are fired up trying to make some money here live on YouTube. Doing it like that. You know how we're going to do it right here, right now. 2 minutes. Oh, I'm fired up. I'm fired up, champ. I'm fired up. I don't know if it's just me being fired up or if I got to go to the bathroom. It could be either. It could be both, actually. It could be a little bit of both. I don't know what it is, but every time I go to the gym in the morning, I always got to go poop. Every time, man. I go to the gym, I do my little workout. Before I know it, got to go to the bathroom. Every time. Anybody else have that problem? I swear. It's like a serious problem that I have. The pre-workout shits, man. It gets you. I always wondered about the like Formula One drivers. Like, what do they do if they got to poop in the middle of the race? I feel like that's a lot of G-force. Do they have like, do they just poop in their suit? Do you think the Formula One drivers just poop in their suit? Formula One wears diapers, right? They wear diapers or something, right? Like, here we go. Market 30 seconds. Will we dump down to our little inner circle or outer circle down there in Nasdaq? 220. 20,220 down there. 15 seconds. It's primed. It's ready. Nasdaq 220s. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. $250s now, trying to move down there. Nasdaq bouncing around here, 250s again. I would not want to be getting long here, but I could be wrong. I think we got to go a little bit deeper before going long, boys. Just got to go a little deeper first. Oh my God, my computer just lost all my data right in the middle of the market open. Perfect timing. We got to go lower before we can go higher, boys. Let's see. 240s again getting tapped. Oh my Lord. She tried to go lower for a second. Still not, I'm still not in love with it here. Still not in love with it here, but I still think we got to make new lows here. Let's get down to that 220 minimum. 220 minimum for a pullback here. I mean, it's just, it's there. It wants to get touched. It's there. Look at it. 240s again getting tapped. There was a big, buyer just got filled at the 40s there. Saw like a bigger size, but he got filled. Let this kind of bear flag play out here. We got the VWAP all the way down there, 20,180s, by the way. 20,180 VWAP down there. Nasdaq just kind of chopping here, 240, 250s. We don't love it. We don't love it right now. I think it's kind of just build out this bear flag before moving down again, but just to try to squeeze it back up again. All right. All right, Nasdaq. We're right back up there, 270s again. God damn. God damn it, Nasdaq. That like 250, 260 area, trying to hold it down here. They get denied there and trap those longs and move it down. Trap some longs, Nasdaq. Let's trap them. Down there to the 240s again. Just need to eat through that 240 area down there to the pivot point next, 220s. ES is kind of holding on for now. Nasdaq's trying to pull through here. Down there to the lows again. Lose that 230 area. Go down, baby. Yeah, go down with it. 230s, 220s. Lose that 230 area here. Need that little yellow circle. Little yellow circle, tap it. Nasdaq being stubborn. We got 9:45 news, by the way. 9:45 news. Nasdaq wants to get down there. Pivot point to the downside. We got a VWAP down there at the 178s. Just lose that 230 area. Should start to waterfall down here. Just kind of holding up there for now. Again, getting denied below 250. How do the sellers not get it through the 230s here now? Look at that. Wick, wick, wick. Getting back-to-back wicks there. 230s wants to go. Tapped right into that 230s once again. This is wild. Just kind of holding up there for now. 230s again. Back up through the 250s once again. We'll see what happens. We get denied there below that 260 area one more time. Getting denied there once again. Kind of like that 260 area, that line in the sand here for the bears, the bulls. Maybe the bears start to get squeezed above that 260s here. Right there at the 270s now. A little squeeze going. Little squeeze going. There we go. Squeezing. Right up there at the 290s here. Big old chop so far this morning. Big old chop here. Just couldn't get through that 230 area. They tried and they tried, but just could not do it. The ES went straight to the moon. Dow's making new highs. Everything's squeezing back up here now. Got some buyers just stepped in there at the 280s again. There's a big seller at 90. He just got filled. Buyer there again at the 87s trying to push it. 20,300 just right there. That news here, we got news in 4 minutes. 4 minutes till the news comes out. The longs are really battling here. ES is straight up right now. Nasdaq's going straight up. 20,300 to push. 9:45 news coming up here. Hmm. 270s, kind of a key level now. I'm trying to hold up there. Got news coming out here in 3 minutes. Got stuck up there at the 290s, back to the 260s now. They got to bounce it like right here, right now, or we're going downtown. Trouble. Trouble here now. $250s, $260s. Will they break it? Just holding up there again. News in 1 minute. News in 1 minute here, people. Got a big buyer just stepped up 252s, actually. News is going to get really thin here. $20 seconds till the news drops. The news is out. Market pumping straight up here now. Gotta love that. Chopping all over the place like a wild beast. The Nasdaq's a wild beast. Here at the 260s, 270s, just stuck there. Some wild price action here, just stuck there at the 270s again. Watching here and just can't really go anywhere. Just holding up there, 270s. Oh my God. Chop Chop City. Back up there, 20,300 now. Market just going higher now. Market just cannot decide which way it wants to go here, chopping around. Right there below the 300s for now, 20,300, trying to hold it up there. 310s. We've got the opening range set now as well. Oh, sorry. Burping over here. Need a little bit of structure here. Get a pullback would be nice, like 280 area, but That next target is 330s to the upside there. Just going up, up, up. Ooh, I fall apart. Market just wants to go higher and higher, but no pullbacks. Why you do that to me, Nasdaq? Need to get like a break below 300 here. Just test that level again. Every little dip is just bought though. Every little dip just getting bought here. Crazy. Got to pull back.
Does that 21 EMA hold up stronger on the daily? I see we're coming up on it at 388.
Oh, God. just stuck up there right now. Hard to get long here. It just keeps going higher. I mean, fuck, man. There it goes, making new highs again. All right, I'm just waiting, just being patient here. I gotta get some type of pullback here. It's just, what are you gonna do here? Fucking no. All right, here's a pullback. Let's be patient. Gotta like dip below that 300 level minimum. Minimum here. And pulling back into this 90 area, you know, kind of dipping down into here would be nice. That previous kind of breakout level. Would be ideal, but I'm just gonna chop around up. It's just like right in that fucking EMA right now. Oh man. There's a pullback. Got to get through this, get down into that, maybe get even down into the middle of that 15-minute range to really test. full name. Fucking A, dude. These shallow pullbacks are always the worst because it's like, you know, you're like watching these pullbacks, you want to get long, but then it's like these real shallow ones, it's just like not convincing enough. And then when you don't get in, it goes higher. And then when you do get in, it goes lower. And so, story of my life. If I had $1 million for every time I'd been in a situation, I'd be rich. These situations, man, it's a situation here, people. We got situations happening live on YouTube right now. And, well, it's a tricky one here. Just trying to be patient. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. Well, let me know. Your support is all I want. The ES is just kind of squeezing up here. That 5,800 level on the ES right now. ES 5,800 level. Trying to hold up there. Both the ES and the Nasdaq. Nasdaq pulling back here again. And this is what I'm talking about. These like shallow pullbacks end up just kind of being more pullbacks. Chopping. Just need to get through. I mean, just like, I guess, see, ideally, it's kind of like a pullback into this level, kind of a quicker, deeper pullback, and then a nice little bounce would be, that would be ideal, right? Like, that's what we'd want to see. These little shallow pullbacks are just, they're hard to get long. Even though it's like, oh, it's still going higher. You're not wrong. Trust me, sitting here watching it like fucking like a hawk. Not your name. It's just the worst is when you enter a trade. Like if I get long up here right now and then it dips down into here and I get stopped out and then it reverses, like that's almost worse. That's almost worse than losing the trade, right? Because you're like, are you fucking kidding me? I FOMO'd into this and then I got stopped out and then it did exactly what I thought it would do. I want to avoid that. Your name. I mean, it looks, it don't look good. Look at these 5-minute candles up here. It's not, it ain't, I don't like it. It's not sexy. It ain't sexy up here, chat. It wants to go lower before going higher. Will it happen? Well, we'll find out, but All right. There we go. We're starting to pull back here a little bit. We got to go deeper, though. We got to get down. Got to get down there a little bit lower. Let this thing pull back, do what it's going to do, and then we can look for a setup here. So, I mean, are you kidding me? That is not, we need more pullback. Still shallow. Still just like, needs to get below that 300 level. Test that 280, 290 area. Get a wick down there. That would be ideal. There we go. Pull it back down in there. 280, 290s. We want to see like some type of reaction if we get down there. Want to see like a nice little wick off the bottom of these candles, right? Like we want to start to see buyers stepping in here on this pullback. Or this could be the reversal back down from here. I want it to drop into the 280, 290 area here. It doesn't mean that I'm just going to get long. I don't buy pullbacks. I buy breakouts and setups like that. $10 o'clock, 10:10 now. $285, pulling back there. There we go. 280s. Nice little pullback here. Right in the middle of that 15-minute range now. All right, here we are in the middle of this range now. We want to see buyers stepping in. So that means, you know, we want to see some wicks on these candles. Right now, not a lot of wicks. The middle of the 50-minute range, 260 area, which was a key level earlier. Bouncing there, 280s again.
No, Dom, that's not a lot.
ES is kind of holding up here right now. Watching that ES move right now on the 15-minute chart. Same kind of setup here for the ES. Already breaking back out to the upside. Will this start to push up here for the ES, taking the Nasdaq with it as well? So I really want to see us get back above that 300 level. Get back, like if we break out above 310s on the Nasdaq here, right? It's kind of what we were looking for. If we're looking for longs, like back above this candle high. Would be what we're looking for here. $5,000 resistance there on the ES. I like that. Kind of bear flagging now. Deja vu. All right, we'll see if these longs are going to want to come in here now. There's that nice little push up here off of the 280, 290s, back in the 310s, 311s here. Look at the little bull flag push. Nice little push. Nice little push here. I like the idea of trying to push up here. If we can push up there towards the 27s. There's that push through the 310s. Kind of retesting it here again, but we want to see a push straight up through the 320s there next and go right up there, test that 330, 327 area. Right there at 320s, did we get the push? Trying. 320 is getting tapped. Just need to go right through the 320s and then push up there to the 330s next. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Almost there. Boom, baby. Look at that. Right up there are the 327s now. A little bit of trouble there. Right below that 330. The high of that candle was 329. 329. The high of that candle there. This all played out exactly like we wanted, kind of getting that pullback below the 300s, right? Let's just do a little recap here if you're now watching. Do a little no music so we can focus on the action here. We got our pullback, right? So just to break this setup down, we got our pullback. Maybe this screen's a little better. We got our pullback here into the middle of kind of that 15-minute range, almost to the middle of it, but right there at 278s, we pull back kind of where we broke out with this news candle. And then right back up above the high, that 20,300, we drew our little yellow line, kind of looking for a breakout above the previous candle high, right? The previous candle high there at the 20,308. So once that 20,308 level breaks, it's off to the races, and we try to get that push up to the previous high being that 40, 330, 340 area. And well, there we go. From the 10s up there to the 330s. Can we get some more out of it? Is it looking like it? But again, 15-minute range. Pull up your 15-minute range. We already have it on the chart. We've got the LuxAlgo indicator on there with the opening range break and the targets. And then there's that break up to the highs. So I was telling you, looking for that pullback. We just needed some type of pullback, some type of trap. We got to get below, kind of get below that previous area of support, get below it, and then whoop, take it out, kind of show that the buyers can step back in there, which they ended up doing. We can see they kind of held that key level and then trying to now push up here into that 330 area again, kind of targeting that recent high. If you're long here, well, obviously it could go higher through there. There's a pivot point all the way up there at the 20,460. So pretty happy with that. Nice little kind of, I like when it plays out, right? We talked about like, we need that pullback. We need a pullback. We kept saying that. We kept saying that. We kept saying that. And well, we got the pullback. We pulled back. And then we got the breakout. So the breakout we were looking for, the pullback we were looking for, it all kind of played out exactly like we were looking for there with the 15-minute range and the whole setup here. So the market is kind of grinding higher, pulling back, looking for that trap setup, and then the move to the upside there for that breakout. Boom. All right. Now what? I think we got to make new highs, obviously, would be kind of what I'm looking at here. Make new highs on the Nasdaq. The Dow's making new highs, the ES. Also trying to pull up there nicely. Up there through the 30s now. Do we keep it going higher? PW, I've noticed you've been right a lot more lately. Well, I get lucky sometimes. But you can see the difference, right? Like everybody sees the difference. You know, even if we get rid of everything on the chart, we get rid of every indicator on the chart. It's like if you're looking, do you want to be long here? Is that where you don't want to be long? Or do you want to be long when we pull back here? I don't know. You tell me, chat. You tell me. You know? If the market moves like this, do you want to be like, if this is the top of this move up, well, I don't want to fucking be long there, do I? So, love to see it. Just love to see it, man. I'll bet you remember me. All right, Nasdaq making new highs just right there, like we said. Getting that new high there on the Nasdaq now. Get my now, I mean, the Nasdaq's kind of looking like it was earlier, right? Like we kind of want that Don't want to be getting long here for now. We're right there at that first target, the 15-minute range. This is the LuxAlgo opening range break and traps. Targets, opening range and targets indicator. It's free on TradingView if you want to check it out. Free on TradingView. Just sitting back here, waiting and watching. Market just kind of slow grind up here. This is the type of conditions that I don't like to trade. I want to see movement in the market. Can we go higher? Sure. Maybe, but like not getting long right here, right now. Wait for the next setup here. 5-minute chart. Kind of looking like maybe 360 area to push up to. PW, what are the 1 and the 2s? That is 50% of the opening range. So 50% from there is 1, 50% from there is 2. That's the opening range breakout and targets indicator from LuxAlgo there if you want to check them out. It's free. They're on TradingView, the biggest, the largest. Kind of chopping here, 330, 340, looking like it's losing steam. Losing steam here, just can't get going. Little doji candle there on the 2-minute chart. Losing steam. Looks like the ES right now also losing steam. More pullback. More pullback, more pullback. More pullback, please. Nasdaq just a big, I don't know if I'll say a big move, but they kind of held that 330 area 3 times in a row on the 1 minute chart. I don't see how we like don't make a move out of this level. Getting very tight here. Very tight price action wise. Now that 340 area acting as resistance there. A little bit of a bull flag kind of holding up there at the 1 right now. Crazy how tight it is right there. Real tight. Looking for new highs now. Get through that 350, 360 area up there towards the 367s possible. But, ooh, denied again. No trade here, just sitting back, waiting. If I'm going to get long, I need more of a pullback. And if I'm gonna get short, I like to get a pop. You know, like if I'm looking to get short, I like to see maybe a more of a squeeze up here. Hit that 360 area maybe, but right here just holding up 330, 340s. There's a little dippy dip. They sell through the 30s there next. Every little dip just kind of getting bought right back up. For now, I feel like there's a trap coming. There's a trap coming here. And nothing. Nasdaq just continuing to kind of hold up here. That little dip down, see if we squeeze up now after, but I was like, I'm not going to get long up here. I'm not doing it. I ain't going to be that guy. Not today, my friends. Not today. Not today. Maybe back in the day I would, but I ain't going to do it right now. Ain't no way. Oh, it's hard. Look, it's still going higher. Up there to the 350s. It's just like it's the constant inner battle, right? The mental battle of like, did I make the wrong choice by not going long? Am I Am I being disciplined or am I just being afraid? Which one is it, you know? What is it? Is it the mental? Is this a long all day? Is it, you know, is kind of a little bit of a trappy looking candle right there. We broke above the high. Now this is maybe the trap to move back down. If we start to sell here, I think we could easily pull back into the 260 VWAP area even. Pulling back there again, 330s. This should be kind of the move back down setup here now that we've trapped above the highs. And if we lose this like 320 area, try to move down 260s. This is not a pullback where I'd want to get long on. I know that. You're like, but Patrick, you said you're waiting for a pullback. It's still just not, I'm not in love with it. Look at that setup. Let it pull back more. You know? Looking weak here. ES is pulling back. The Dow's pulling back. Everything's pulling back right now. We're going into the 1030 right now. Another dip down there. Back to the 14 EMA here on the 2-minute chart. Looking at the 5-minute chart, looking a little indecisive as well. Kind of like you want to keep it below the 340s here and then start to sell down. Take out the bottom of that wick on that 5-minute candle back down there. Bottom of that wick there is 316 area. Market just very slowly moving here. It's Monday, baby. Monday. We had a little bit of news this morning, but the market, big gap up this morning. Still kind of holding on right there at the 30s. All right, well, I guess no dippy. No dippy, just grind higher. ES, everything's just fucking grinding right now. I know exactly what's going to happen. I'm going to get long right here at the 40s, and it's going to drop to the fucking 300s. I don't want none of that juju. None of that juju, please. So he's trying to once again push up here in a very annoying fashion. Just stuck here at the 330s now. I got a feeling. I got a feeling that there's something coming. Something big is about to happen, boys. I just don't know which way it's gonna go. It's just stuck here. The Bears and the Bulls battling. Can we lose the 330s? There you go. Thomas said, don't forget to do me a favor. Hit the smash button. I mean, the like button. Smash or like, whatever one you like. Smash or pass. All right, Nasdaq dipping down there through the 320s. Down there to the 320s. We bounced here earlier. Will they dump it straight through there? Lose that 320 area, the Nasdaq's in trouble. Looking real troublesome here. Real troublesome here. Right there at that 320, the ES holding up 5,800s. This market right now, man. Every little dip popping back up. The pops are getting sold. Just consolidating, waiting for a bigger move to happen here. Right back there again, 330s. Can we get some action, Nasdaq? Wow. That's impressive. That is impressive, I'd say. Once again, just pushing up here again.
Up 20K on 20 pod done for the day.
Martin's up 20K? Wow. You win, Martin. Martin wins the award for the #1 trader on YouTube. I'm definitely not up 20K. Nasdaq just going nowhere. Back up 340s again. I don't really know what to do here. I'm trying this fucking short right here. Stop is above the 342s. I just don't know how this doesn't sell down. Oh. JK. Well, really, Nasdaq. $330s. Stop at the 42s here. Not looking. Are you kidding me right now? And stopped out there. God, I gotta go to the bath. I'm taking a break for a second. I gotta go to the bathroom or do something here. Oh, don't short a market that's not going anywhere. Little lesson of the day. Don't do it. sucks, man. Just keeps grinding higher here. Wild. Absolutely wild. There she goes, making new highs. Nasdaq just don't want to go down, she said. The trend is your friend. Don't go fucking shorting. Don't go shorting it. Don't be like me. Bad, bad, bad. Still higher now. That next level, 67 up there. Nasdaq just continues to grind higher. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Ruben's short from the 58s. Oh God, I got nothing to do here. This is the worst. Market's just grinding here. It's like just grinding. It's just really difficult to like get in on this. But maybe it's not. Maybe it's not difficult. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Maybe I'm just overcomplicating it. Just buy low, sell high, Patrick. What are you doing, you fucking moron? You know, just buy low, sell high. Both the ES and the Nasdaq just grinding higher. Will they ever find resistance? Someone said just buy and hold. Okay, I'm all in. Pulling back here again. Pulling back again. Just to pop it up there one more time. It's impressive. It's fucking impressive. That's what I say. This shit is impressive. Just been riding that EMA, man. Riding that EMA all morning long right now. 15-minute chart. Broke out of the 15-minute range up there to the 56s now. $68 is the that number, the 50% of the range, opening range there. So Again, pulling back there into that EMA. The Traders World bought 20 accounts on Apex and have a 100% winning lock, 100% winning ratio. Love to hear it. Patrick, what does LuxAlgo say now? It still says bearish pattern detected, rising wedge here on the 2-minute chart. Is what it's saying, but will it be enough? Ugh. Ugh. Four 4704 LS made a bag today. It's his wife's anniversary. Let's go. Or his anniversary, I guess. Him and his wife. Love to hear it. And the Nasdaq just continuing to chop around while grinding higher. Just continuing to chop here. Oh gosh. Making some moves now. Making some moves here. Making some moves here. Another dip that just gets bought right back up. Another dip just getting bought, pushing right back up there off the 1 now. And like I said, every little dip getting bought. Every little dip getting bought here. You gotta love it. Every little dip getting bought. Good day just to buy every dip and then sell every rip. The plan. We should, if only I would have known. If only I would have known. How's your son's trading journey going? Well, he's 12, so it's not really a journey yet. I think it's a bit of a game. It's a bit of a game. All right, Nasdaq going for a new high here now. There's the push, new highs. New highs on the Nasdaq. La da 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 da. There's the Nasdaq pushing. We've had like no real, well, that little 5-minute candle. Look at that pullback there. Not any like decent pullback here all morning. Just been grinding higher on the 5-minute chart. There's the new highs again up there, the 67, 69, 68, 70s. Man. Da-da-da-da. The 15-minute chart just kind of holding up there, going higher, pushing. Patrick, what is your wisdom for today? Buy low, sell high. That's my wisdom. That's all I got. Buy low, sell high. Best way to make money in this market. People are asking if I put any trades on. I put a trade on. I just showed a losing trade. Did nobody see that trade? I am red on the day right now. It is not looking good. Just getting chopped up over here. Gotten chopped up on longs and shorts. Gotta love it. Ugh. Yeah. Everyone wants to help me. Help me, chat. Tell me what to do. Help me, please. I'm confused. Market once again just kind of squeezing up here, man. I mean, it's really just a battle. 360s again. The ES, the Nasdaq. Quite the little battle. Up there to the 370, 360s now. Where can we pull back from here? Look at how that the opening range, number 2, acting as resistance, that 50% of the opening range being resistance right now. Stefan, did I add delay to the stream? No. Refresh the page, bro. Nasdaq again pulling back there. Pulling back there into the EMA for another push higher, possibly. What a crazy market, man. It's crazy market. Hey, buddy, can you please tell me the exact opening range? Opening range. Right there. Opening range with breakouts and targets by LuxAlgo on TradingView. It's free. Check it out. Type in opening range with breakouts and targets. LuxAlgo. Everybody in the chat, look at it now. Look at it now, everybody. There it is. How fucking hard is that? Patrick, you never tell me what the indicator is. All right, well, I think I'm gonna be done for the day here. This is just not doing what we want it to do, so I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna go do something else with my time. Do something else here. Power hour today, probably. Got to do something. This market right now is not working. I will be back. We'll do power hour. Why not? We'll try power hour. See if we get a better move here end of day. This market right now just going absolutely nowhere quickly. So that's it. Big thank you for watching. Big thank you. Oh God. See y'all later. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. Let's go. Did I make any money? No. I'm red on the day. I'm going to post up a video later on today talking about the red day. That's right. Starting out the week red. Uh-oh. Not good. Well, I mean, it happens, but we're red. And I'm not just red from the sun. I'm red because the market got me good today, boys. I'll see you all later on. Peace of the Middle East.